making Aquabeads. And what we're going to be making out of Aquabeads is Leo the Lion. And my cousin's called Leo, so we're going to make a Leo the Lion. Is that right, Mummy?
Yes, exactly. That's what we're going to be doing. So what we've got here now is we've got all our beads, don't we? We've got all our colours that we need. We've got our water spray thing, and then here we've got our I don't know what it's called, like a little dropper with our beads inside.
But it's cool because you don't have to get like this.
It's a lot easier, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't have to go like this.
Yeah, one by one.
Yeah.
You don't have to do one by one. And then here we've got our Leo the Lion here that we're going to be making.
So means like this.
Okay, so what colours do we need? Brown, orange, yellow and black. Yes? Why don't we start with the brown colours? Shall we start with the brown?
Yeah.
Okay, now Elena, can you see what the browns are? It is a bit tricky, so for little kids especially, but this dropper thing is really good, I think.
I think it goes here.
How many have we got? I don't know, I can't even tell. Can't even tell. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, yep. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 down there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then where's the rest of the brown ones? Let me have a look. Can I have a look? Then we've got 3 on this side. Look, this one. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 on this side. No, that's going to be orange. 1, 2. Is it empty? Okay, so now we just need to get more browns. So we need one more. I'll help you as well. Like this. Look, 1, and then pop one in there.
Oh
no!
Let me put them back in.
Just put it there.
Going on.
Yeah?
Nothing else.
There. Well, let's get... I know. Why don't you start putting the orange ones in while I finish the brown ones? Do you want to pop the orange ones into your thing? Yeah?
I bet there's lots of oranges.
We've got loads of orange. I'll finish the brown ones and you pop the orange ones in. Do you know how to pop them in?
On my thing.
No, they're running away. Can you pop them in? Okay, I think we've got just about enough of the brown ones. Luckily, we need to buy more of the brown Aquabeads, don't we, Elena? Because there's lots of animals that you make with the brown Aquabeads, so you run out of certain colours quicker than the others. For example, we've got loads of greens and blues.
Well,
because
look at those.
Yeah, we've got loads of those.
Guys.
Yeah? So we finished the browns.
Mommy, look at these.
Have you got orange? Okay. Where do you see the orange? There's one there, look. One in that gap. And there, in that gap. Can you see? And then in there.
Wait, let me just put it there.
Yeah? And then in this gap and in that gap. Yeah? And then 1, 2 in between those guys. Oh no! Hang on. That's alright. We'll just push them back. Where did that guy go? That guy went there and that guy went there.
It's hard because you have long nails.
No, I don't want to cut my nails. Okay, then we need to make this row of orange ones. Yeah, and then 1, 2, 3. Oh, perfect. Have you got any more oranges in there?
Yeah.
I'll do the little black ones.
Only one more.
I'll put some more orange because you're going to need loads of oranges. I'm going to do the little black eyes for you. Yeah, and then little black nose.
No, Mommy.
There. See? That's his little face.
I need more orange.
Put the orange ones in.
Guys, I'm really running out of
The brown diamonds. We are. We need to get more brown diamonds, definitely.
Come in here, I go.
Have you got the oranges in there?
Hang on.
Okay, so these guys, fill in these gaps. Yeah? On it. Hang on, let me put this eye back in. This is going to be yellow, so these two needs to be orange. 1, 2. Perfect.
Is that?
Perfect.
Do we need more?
Yes, look, this is all orange. You do orange and I'll do the yellows, okay?
Okay.
I'll do the yellows and you do the orange. And then we'll have a really cute Leo the lion. Because your cousin Leo loved this lion that you made for him, didn't he?
Yeah. So now we're gonna make
We're gonna make another one because he's really cute, this design, isn't he?
and my cousin Leah, you know him, we just talked about him and
He's gonna be 2 years old in a couple of weeks, isn't he?
Mommy, do we need more?
Yes. Put him in there.
Mommy.
See how many you can get in there. Ready? Come on. I think you've got enough there, Elena. Drop them in now. Look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, hang on. That one goes in 1. Hang on. Put one in there, in that little bit. Okay, there. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not yeah, silly. Oh, I'm gonna need like a toothpick or something, I think. Yeah, let me have a look. 1.
Guys, this is really annoying. Go back to Aquabeads.
Why isn't this guy coming out? Oh, here, I'm pressing a button. Silly Mummy. It does take a little bit of time to make these aquabeads, doesn't it? But it's a lot easier with this dropper thing that we've discovered, isn't it, Elena? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, well, just 2 more beads. 1 and 2, and so there we go. We've got our design. It's all ready. Now what we need to do, we need to get our water spray, and we need to spray him very generously. Lots of water. Oh, make sure you don't, like, yeah. Good job.
Wait, more.
Go. He's very sprayed. And now what we're going to do when he's all sprayed, we're going to leave him. So we're gonna take a break from you guys for a minute because we have to cover him with this aquabeads thing, and we're gonna cover him. And we're going to leave him for a while, and we're going to come back to you guys in a few minutes to see how he's doing, okay? See you in a minute.
A few moments later.
So guys, since this is flipped over, we have to leave this now.
We're going to flip it over because that's when the instructions say. What we have to do is we have to hold on to this. Do you want to hold it with me? So we have to hold it like this, and then we have to flip it over, and what we've got to do, it says to wipe off all the excess water so it's not too wet. And then what we've got to do is we have to very carefully, now I hope this is going to work.
Yeah, because last time it didn't.
Oh yeah, it didn't last time. Let's hope it works. Ready? Oh, there's only one that fell off this time, but don't worry, we're going to fix it. This one, I know exactly where it goes. It goes right in there. Okay, so now that we've got our Leo the lion, ready, what we're going to do is we're going to leave him on the side for about 15 minutes, and we'll get back to you guys, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna wait for you for a sec, for some minutes.
Yep, and we're going to put him to the side. See you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
A few moments later.
So guys, that's how you make aqua beads.
So here is our Leo the lion. This is what he looks like.
Be very, very delicate with them because they might break. And don't peel off these bits, they're very important on my mummy.
Yes, so we've used brown diamonds, orange, yellow and black. That's the ones that we've used. And also we'd like to show you some other designs that Elena's made. Yeah, should we show everyone what other designs? Let's show everyone what designs we've made. So we've got
A rainbow.
down here, a rainbow.
A rainbow.
We've got a flamingo,
And the
elephant. We've got some flowers.
And some more flowers.
More flowers. We've got a rocking horse.
Yeah. Him.
An ice cream sundae. A dolphin.
A dolphin.
And an apple and what's this? Oh, and a butterfly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So the set that we used, guys, we used this set, and it's the Aquabeads Beginner Studio. But you can get lots and lots of different. You can get lots of different sets on there. You can get sets where, for example, you can buy the beginners one where they give you loads of beads. Or you can, for example, you can buy just beads, or you can buy like themed ones. You can buy Frozen beads or Disney beads or loads of different ones.
Guys, and don't do this if you have an iron.
No, that means you don't need to use an iron. It means that
you can't use iron, but you
sit down, choose.
But you used to do that in the olden days, but now you can't. You just have to wait until tomorrow.
That's true, because in the olden days, like Elena says, do you remember, mums and dads, when we used to make these kind of aqua beads and we had to iron them to stick them together because they reacted to heat, didn't they? Well, luckily these days, we don't need to do that anymore. All the kids need to do is they just squirt the water on these beads, and because the beads are covered with glue, so when you spray them, they're covered with glue, so when you spray them with water, then they stick together. And also, another good thing about these is your kids will not want to eat these because they're not only are they covered with glue, they're covered with a really, really bitter substance. So when your kid puts one of these in their mouth, they taste that bitter taste and they spit it out. It's horrible. Isn't it horrible? I don't think Elena's ever tried one of them.
No, I haven't.
You haven't, have you? No. So anyway, guys. So anyway, guys, this is the one that we use, the Beginner Studio. Even on here it shows you all the different things you can make. So be sure to check them out. You can buy them on the internet or in any shops where you go to. So Lane, you're going to say bye to everyone.
Bye guys.
Make sure to
thumbs up, subscribe, bye.